Hello and welcome to today's video on mastering technical analysis for trading success. Technical analysis is a powerful tool that can help traders make informed decisions based on market trends and price action. In this video, we'll cover the basics of technical analysis, key indicators and chart patterns, and how to use them to improve your trading results. So, let's dive in. Section 1: Basics of Technical Analysis. Technical analysis is the study of market trends and price action to predict future movements. It involves analyzing charts and identifying patterns and trends to make informed trading decisions. Technical analysts believe that market trends, price patterns, and other technical indicators provide insight into future price movements. Section 2: Key Indicators and Chart Patterns. There are several key indicators and chart patterns that technical analysts use to identify potential trading opportunities. These include moving averages, relative strength index, RSI, Fibonacci retracements, and trend lines. Moving averages help traders identify the overall trend of a market, while RSI helps identify overbought or oversold conditions. Fibonacci retracements help traders identify potential support and resistance levels, while trend lines help identify key levels of support and resistance. Section 3: How to use technical analysis in your trading. To use technical analysis in your trading, you first need to identify the market trend and key levels of support and resistance. You can then use technical indicators and chart patterns to identify potential entry and exit points. It's important to use a combination of technical analysis and fundamental analysis to make informed trading decisions. Bonus point: Mastering technical analysis for trading success. Mastering technical analysis takes time and practice, but it can be a valuable tool for improving your trading results. By understanding the basics of technical analysis, key indicators and chart patterns, and how to use them in your trading, you can make more informed trading decisions and increase your chances of success. That's all for today's video on mastering technical analysis for trading success. We hope you found this information useful and informative. Remember to use a combination of technical analysis and fundamental analysis to make informed trading decisions, and to always keep learning and improving your skills as a trader. Thanks for watching.